It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 31st of August. I'm Michael Groff. Hot temperatures continue here in the valley. We're above normal. 108 was our high yesterday, 89 the morning low. Today, fairly similar weather. Dry conditions should continue today and tomorrow, and then moisture levels increase over the weekend. Slight chances of showers and thunderstorms coming back into our forecast. And the tropics in the East Pacific as well as the Atlantic are getting pretty active, so a lot going on. Let's talk about it as we look outside this morning at 5:25 a.m. Some high clouds in the valley and a hot start to the day. 90 degrees right now at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 47, humidity 23%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 76 at Fort McDowell, 77 Maricopa, 79 in Mesa. The rest of the valley, low 80s to near 90 in the warmest spots of the urban core. On the WAD Vapor satellite, we've got ridging out here in the west, troughing across eastern Canada, beginning to pick up the remnants of Harvey, now a tropical depression located over northeast Louisiana, and finally beginning to move that system off to the northeast. On the watch warning map, we have an air quality alert here in Maricopa County. Excessive heat watches and warnings, heat advisories for much of the west coast. Temperatures in excess of 100 degrees in coming days for many of those locations. And of course, flood warnings, flood emergencies, still parts of southeast Texas and western Louisiana. Flood watches in the remainder of Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, parts of Alabama, and Kentucky. On the convective outlook, a slight risk of severe storms for places like Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Huntsville, Chattanooga, and Atlanta, with a marginal risk for many of the adjacent states. And as far as our weather, let's get into that now. We'll walk you through the models. Here's the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock today. High pressure off the west coast. There is the remnants of Harvey continuing to accelerate to the northeast, and another tropical system down there near the Baja. But for us, dry weather today. Low humidity. Sunny skies, and we'll have highs this afternoon, 105 to 109. Very similar to what we've had the last couple of days. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then mostly clear, lows in the 80s to near 90. Tomorrow, that tropical system continues to crawl up the west coast of the Baja, and moisture getting closer to us, but I think the day tomorrow is mostly sunny. An isolated shower or storm can't be ruled out over the mountains, but we should stay dry with high temperatures, 104 to 108. Then on Saturday, something kind of interesting happens here. That tropical system continues to shift northward, with the circulation somewhere off of the northwest coast of Baja, moisture on the east side now moving into southern and southwest Arizona, perhaps significant tropical moisture, but no real instability to act on it. It's just kind of a wet blanket of moist air that's just going to move over us. Still, slight chances of showers and thunderstorms would have to be introduced into the forecast, humidity levels coming up and temperatures coming down. Highs in the upper 90s to about 103 if this is right. Sunday, still quite a bit of moisture around, but nothing really to act on it, so just a slight chance of late afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Highs 101 to 104. Really the same thing on Labor Day, 102 to 105, with humidity still around and slight chances of late afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. High pressure continues to build north of the state on Tuesday. Easterly flow in place. Slight chances of showers and thunderstorms will continue. Maybe a subtle uptick in the number of storms as well. Same thing for Wednesday, with high temperatures still in the 102 to 106 bracket. Here's a week from today, Thursday, September the 7th. High pressure north of the state, easterly flow. Maybe some disturbances rotate around that for an enhancement of showers and storms from time to time. And high temperatures still in the 102 to 106 range. Really the same thing on Friday, September the 8th, with a high amplitude pattern and a closed low out there near the Mississippi River Valley. And then here's the end of the forecast period. This is Saturday, the 9th of September. High pressure still around here for at least a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. And we've got our hurricane on the board. Now, this would be Irma, which is way out there by the Cape Verde Islands right now, or west of the Cape Verdes. By the time we get out toward 10 days, again, this is Saturday, the 9th of September, the GFS has this thing somewhere near the Carolinas, and a monster of a storm at that. But hold on a tick, because the European has the storm way down here over Cuba. So obviously there's a lot of model uncertainty, model madness, model chaos, as we go out here toward the end of the forecast period. So we just don't know right now. It's way too early in the game to call. All right, temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Looks like highs above normal today and tomorrow, dipping a bit this weekend with the added increase in moisture. But overall, temperatures to remain at or above normal levels well into mid-September. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to us. That way, every time we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Thank you, as always, so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Be safe, stay cool out there, and have a great Thursday.